Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Google account or Gmail. First go to Google and type create Gmail account, hit enter. Just go to this account, Google. You'll see here create an account. If you already have an account, just go to Google account. For now, just click on create an account. After this you'll see a sign up page. Just type your first name, last name, your email address, your password, and hit next button. I've already write it down right here. I'm gonna type first name is knowledgeable, the last name Richards, and my email will look like this. If you have a custom domain name, you can click on this, use my current email address instead. So you can like type abc at the rate of your website, whatever domain you have .com, and then you can proceed. But for now I'm going to use Gmail. So for that I write it down. I'm gonna paste it. Sorry, only letters, number are allowed. Okay, you can use letter, number, and periods. Maybe I need to refresh this page and then type it here. Just exclude that gmail.com. Copying, pasting first and last name. Okay, after that just choose a password. I'm going to type my password. Just want to confirm that password again. When you've done all that steps, just click on next button. Now you have to, it's optional to write your phone number. I'm gonna leave it for now. And you can also use your previous, if you have, as an optional email address in case if you forgot the password of your Gmail account. The Google will send some code to this recovery email, so you can have the access to your Gmail account again. I'm gonna type the date of birth. Let's choose April, maybe 20 or 1998 would be nice. I'm gonna call it male. I'm gonna leave the rest of it as it is. I'm gonna click on next button. Just accept the terms and privacy of Google. Click on no thanks. After these steps, you will, yes, your account is created. Now if you want to go to your personal information, you can set up your profile picture right here and just look at the information. If you want to change in future, you can change from this personal information, your email address, your phone number, and your password, etc. The most important thing is security as well. You might have to enable that two-factor verification to secure your account. And yeah, that's it. You can data and privacy. You can also switch the YouTube history on and off, or your web history, as well as the location history. So that's it for today. You have successfully created your Google Gmail account. Sorry. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video.